So today I am here to explore one of the 12 Jyotirlings. I have already explored one of them, which is Kedarnath in Uttarakhand. If you haven't seen that vlog, I request you all to check the description box. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are at Trimbakeshwar Mandir. Right behind me is the Trimbakeshwar Mandir. So Trimbakeshwar is basically located in Nashik, and from Nashik station it's around 30 kilometers. So first we are going towards Kushavar Tir. It's a ritual that first you have to take a bath there and then you can darshan of Trimbakeshwar Mandir. So let's go to the Kushavar Tir. Extraordinary feature of Trimbakeshwar Jyotirling here is it's a three-face resembling Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. The lingas are covered by a precious crown which is placed over the gold mask of Tridev. The crown is said to be very old and consists of diamonds and precious stones. The crown is displayed every Monday from 4 to 5 pm. So luckily we were there at 4 pm and we got to see the crown. So we are outside of Kushavar, and for visiting Trimbakeshwar Mandir, everyone has to come here, take a bath, and then you can visit the Trimbakeshwar Mandir. So this is one kind of ritual which is followed here. So let's go in. Place is called as Tirtharaj Kushavar. So this particular place is where everyone comes first to take a bath and then visit Trimbakeshwar Mandir. So it is said that this particular place is never emptied and it is always filled with water. So the water which is collected here, this is actually from river Godavari, which comes from the Brahmagiri, which we have already visited. The origin is from Brahmagiri peak. From there it travels here and it gets collected here, and from here it moves forward. That's the reason this is very important for every person to come first, take a bath here and then go to Trimbakeshwar. So right beside the Kushavar there are two more mandirs. So this is Kedareshwar Mahadev Mandir. So for females who take bath, they can change here. So we have just submitted the shoes and our bags. So he said that camera is allowed. Let's see if they can allow us. The charges for locker is 35 bucks. So you can just keep your shoes and your bag and then you can proceed for the darshan. Cameras are not allowed inside. The locker guy said that it is allowed, but now the security guard asked me to keep the camera outside. So let's see if whether I can shoot through mobile. So we they took away the cameras, so I'm shooting from my mobile. And the thing is, we were going for the general darshan, but they said it would easily take around 2.5 to 3 hours for the darshan. So now we took the VIP darshan, which is around 200 rupees. So there's no queue right now. This is the general darshan, and this is for VIP darshan. So I just came out from Trimbakeshwar Mandir. So the darshan has been done. The whole temple made up of basalt. Temple was made by Peshwa Balaji Bajirao after it was destroyed by the invaders. So later it was renovated by Aliya Holkar. So the uniqueness of this Jyotirling is it's a three-faced ling. Where the three faces resembles Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. On that three-faced links, there's a crown placed over that particular link. It is said that that crown is from Pandavas, and that particular crown has special diamonds and very precious diamonds. It is said that due to use of excessive water, the three-faced ling has been eroded, and it's getting down and down. So that's the reason there's a mirror placed above it, so that you can have a clear vision of the ling. So that's it from the Trimbakeshwar vlog. So I guess this would be a short vlog. There's not much I could shoot because cameras were not allowed, and I will end my vlog here, and we'll meet soon in a new video on a new day. So see you soon. Goodbye. Take care.